A Tennessee woman was killed in a wreck Monday after authorities say she stole a county-owned truck from Memphis and drove her kids to Arkansas because they were possessed by demons. CBS affiliate WREG reports the Pulaski County Sheriff's Office said 41-year-old Rosalind Craig was killed when she slammed head-on into a truck north of Little Rock. Craig's daughter, adoptive children, and a friend were riding with her. They, along with the driver of the other vehicle, were taken to hospitals with injuries that were not serious. Matt Yurus for CBS Local News.